Ibn Jurayj says that he said to Ata, have you heard from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that you have been commanded to perform circumambulation of the Kaaba, but not to enter the Kaaba? Ata said, Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu does not prescribe from entering the Kaaba. However, he says that Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu states that when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered the Kaaba, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made invocation at all its corners, but did not perform the prayer until he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out, and after coming out, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed 2-unit prayer facing Allah's house and said, it is the Qibla. I asked, what about the corners and the sides of Allah's house? He said, all sides of Allah's house are Qibla. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3224.